One of the best habits that you can start building is waking up early every single morning. Now, yeah, you're allowed to give yourself a day here and there if you want to sleep in. I mean, especially if you're falling behind on sleep, getting less than 7 hours, I would say. But for the most part, waking up early is going to transform your life, and it's transformed my life. When you start your day, you know, you rise and shine really early and you get something done. Like for me, it's always going to the gym, because for me, health is the most important thing. It's my number one value, because if I don't take care of my health, I can't take care of my friends, my family, my business, my finances. I'm just not there, and I'll be depressed. My self-esteem will be all whacked out. So that's the number one thing that I like to do. Wake up early and take care of my health. Start waking up early every single morning if you can, and get that one big thing done. It will transform your life. And especially if you live in a warm climate, there's nothing more beautiful than waking up early and feeling that sun shine against your skin. Wake up early, you know, go outside, drink some water with lemon, and it's just an amazing feeling. So if you want to change your life, start waking up early every morning. Now, if you're usually waking up at 10 o'clock and you want to start waking up a little earlier, start waking up at 9:30 or 9 and slowly work your way down in 30-minute increments. I mean, there was a time I used to wake up at noon. You know, this was a long time ago, years ago, 8, 9 years ago. But I slowly worked my way down, and now I'm waking up usually around 6 or 7 in the morning. It depends what time I go to bed, because I've noticed if I get less than 6 hours of sleep, I just perform like 50% worse. So I try to get at least 7 hours of sleep every single night. I've experimented with this, but I can tell you right now, guys, it's a game changer. Start waking up early and get that one big thing done that's really going to move your life forward. What would that one area of your life be that if you started to take care of it and make progress in it, everything else would shift? Like I said, for me, it was my health. And as you guys have been able to see, which I've been documenting on YouTube, and that's why I make these videos and I share different things about my life outside of just business, because you'll see the real effects that it has. I mean, if you look back at my videos from over a year ago, I'm a completely different person. You could see it in my attitude, in my face, in my facial reactions, and just my energy levels, and even in my results in terms of income, business, various things like that. So start waking up early, take care of that one thing. Real good tip for waking up early is get an alarm clock off Amazon, like a really loud, annoying one, and move it all the way across your room. So when it goes off, you have to get up, because if you get up and you're standing, there's like a 90% chance you're gonna stay awake. Whereas if it's right next to you, it's so easy to hit that snooze button. Start waking up early. It's a game changer. Go out, drink some water, get some sun on your skin, and take care of that one thing. And watch as your life changes in front of your eyes. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate you watching. I'm going into the gym right now. I'm gonna go take care of my one big thing right now. But you guys have an amazing day. Just want to come to you guys with this message, inspire you, and hopefully you guys have a fantastic day. Talk soon.